Hello and welcome to Capital Calling. I am Hassan Shahzad, your host. Today we will discuss the decisions that Higher Education Commission has taken in a meeting with students. The issue is that the students wanted online exams because they had taken online classes for this semester, but some of the universities in Islamabad and across the country, they were insisting that the students should take on campus exams. Against this decision of universities based on a directive from the decision makers, the students rose up in protests. The university administrations did not listen to them, and ultimately they had to go to the roads. In Islamabad, they blocked the busiest road, the IJ Principal Road. This road basically connects Punjab with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and it is the way of heavy duty traffic. No city management can afford for this road to be blocked. To open up this road and to break up the protest, Islamabad police had to resort to high-handed tactics. Torture was also reported on students. Some of the arrests were also made. Nonetheless, the students continued building up their protest, assessing that the situation could turn ugly anytime. Deputy Commissioner of Islamabad, Muhammad Hamza Shafqat, finally put his foot down and called the students to his office. After having many marathon meetings and after engaging all groups of students on his Twitter and Facebook accounts, he finally succeeded in bringing them on a table with the Higher Education Commission authorities. The meeting took place on Thursday. It was a long meeting. After the meeting, the students in a press conference said that their demand for online exam has been met, and the Higher Education Commission authorities have agreed to recommend universities to take online exam. Now at this point, viewers, I know that most of you are students. At this point, the thing that you need to understand is that when online education system was put in place due to pandemic last year, students and teachers, they protested against it because both of them were not ready for the students for this method. Students demands were very genuine at that time too, because they said that internet is not available easily in all parts of the country. On the other hand, it was a difficult task for teachers too. They had to prepare a lot of notes, and they have to get together a lot of material to place it in the LMS software and then to hold classes. So it was an experiment that went well overall, but when you teach online, the students are supposed to take conceptual examination. Conceptual examination mean that they have to clear their concepts and they can consult different books to attempt the paper. If you force them to take on campus exam, it does not work and it sounds illogical because they are not prepared for it. So you cannot have the online system half and then the on-campus system in half. You need to have it in full. This is good that the higher education authorities have finally listened to the students' demands. At this point, I want to say that the university that was the cause of real problem in Islamabad is known for its ultra security measures. Now it should know that the mess that it has put itself in has finally spilled out of its gates. It should put its house in order, and the sooner it does it, the better. Thank you. I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thank you.